Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a time-based token lock on Streamflow. Time-based token lock allows you to lock tokens until a certain date and time. Once you've logged into the Streamflow app, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Locks. After the page loads, click on the Create New button in the top right corner. After clicking on Create New, you'll be forwarded to choose the token lock type. Select Time-Based and click Continue in the bottom right corner. In the configuration step, you'll have to set the details for your token lock. First, from the drop-down, choose the token that you want to lock. Then, select the unlock date and time in the unlock schedule field. After configuring the unlock date and time, you can adjust the preferences for your token lock. Enabling transferable will allow the lock recipient to list the token for sale at any point after it is created. List for sale option allows you to set the listing details while you are creating the contract, which will place it for sale immediately after the contract is created. After you've configured the lock and its preferences, you can click Continue in the bottom right. Now, you have to add the recipients for the token lock. You can use Upload CSV if you're planning on having multiple recipients, or you can also add single or multiple recipients manually. While adding the recipient, you'll have to first configure the amount you're locking, and then the wallet address which will receive the tokens once unlocked. You can choose the recipient from your address book, paste the address manually, or enable Use the Connected Wallet switch, which will set your connected wallet as a recipient. After setting the recipients, you can click Continue in the bottom right corner, which will forward you to the review step. At the review step, you can see all the configuration details you've set in the previous steps. Please keep in mind that the token locks are irreversible, meaning that the tokens cannot be moved, accessed, or unlocked before the unlock date and time, no matter the circumstances. At the bottom, you can find a fee breakdown. There's a 0.5% token fee, 0.160 fee, and a standard network fee, paid by the user when creating the token lock. After reviewing all the details and checking the fee breakdown, you can click on Create Lock in the bottom right corner, which will open your wallet for you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll see the pop-up that says that the contract has been created successfully. From there, you can share the token lock on X, create a new one, or view the details for the one just created. After clicking on Lock Details, you'll be forwarded to the page of a created token lock, where you'll be able to see the details such as sender, recipient, and token mint addresses, claimed, unclaimed, and locked amounts, as well as the unlock graph at the top of the page. And that's it on how you can create a time-based token lock on Streamflow. Lock your tokens now using the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.